Hello, I'm Teddy, and today I'm going to show you this Little Mighty Makers, the Super Mighty Makers little Christmas card thing, So you print this piece of paper in the back too, like this. Then you cut out this. You cut out here like that. You do not cut down this line. Then you will have this. So now you. I never thought it would be so hard. Here is how I folded it, and here is the inside. You can see the inside, the back. So here are going to be my colors. Right here are my colors. Let me just flip these guys around. I'm going to color this, and I'm going to send it to someone. And yeah. I'm going to color everything that is red, that is supposed to be red. Red. I'm coloring like this because if I color like this, it will go through the other side and it's going to be horrific. Happy holidays. So now I'm going to use orange, then yellow, and then how it's right here. Just I have it on there. Now I'm just going to color the little symbol, the Super Mighty Makers little picture thingy. I colored the Super Mighty Maker symbol, and I also colored the mistletoe. Here I have colored. I did the eyes. I did the eyes to all of these characters. And that's really like all I really did. And also this. And I also did this because by accidentally, I just made a little mark. So here we have it. But now we are going to move on the color orange. But, just saying, the color orange, actually, we're going to be doing the color yellow. First thing, I need to color this in yellow. And then we continue. And then after, I'm going to color a little bit of the gingerbread man yellow. And I think that's yellow. So you can see here is the two symbols. You can see this one's a little the red. The red is a little bit darker. Here's the red is a teeny tiny bit lighter, but it's still going to be doing the color green. I'm going to color the mistletoe, and here, mistletoe here, and little spikes. And green, I'm going to color a little bit of the gingerbread man green. And also, I think that's all. I'm going to color green. So, I'm going to see you in a teeny tiny bit. So here, I have finally did. So I did a part of the gingerbread man. I also did at the top right here little Christmas tree things here. What is it called? The pokey pokes. The snowman. He is now blue. His scarf and hat is blue. And his snowflake, the snowflake is here is what I wrote. You're like, what is this? It says, Señorita Ángeles, mi mejor deseos para Navidad y Año Nuevo. Teddy, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. So you can see I have colored Mr. Gingerbread Man, all brown. I've colored him. I did some changes here with the cup. I just made it like red and then go like ding 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 green. Really beautiful, and because red, green, and white are the Christmas colors. So now I'm going to be decorating. Here I'm just gonna get you, and then that, and then oops. And run right there. Now I'm going to be doing Mr. Santa Claus. I'm going to put come, Mr. Santa Claus. Lay. Before I did this, I just planned everything out, and now I'm just going to be doing Mr. Little Star Helen. That looks good. Now I am going to be putting on the snowman. I'm going to be putting on the snowman. It's really hard to get off the snowman. There you go. Place them just like that. Like that, like that. Boop, 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 boop. You can see that is Mr. Snowman. And I'm just going to put just a little hat on him. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Actually, one sec. You know, I could actually do this. Like that. That's a little happy snowman. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. If you want, you could make something like this. So you don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy holidays, which is also in Spanish, Feliz Navidad.